All right, so here's my opinion, and I'm gonna share with you why YouTube subscribers don't matter anymore. Now, yes, we have to hit the 1,000 subscribers in order to be monetized, 4,000 watch hours. Yes, it's important for that to get to that threshold anyway, but to really get your videos to have a lot of reach, people think you have to have this massive audience, or people think you have to have this massive audience to make a good amount of money. Well, you don't. And I'm gonna share with you why that's not the case. And I don't want that to hold you back, thinking the only way you're going to be able to succeed is if you have a lot of subscribers, all right? So here's how YouTube used to work, okay? YouTube used to, you type in your search, and then you would find the video that was serving that search, okay? So really back in the day, subscribers really weren't that big of a deal either. But then people started to build audiences with a lot of subscribers. And then YouTube would push that video out to all their subscribers, and the people that had more subscribers would get more views. Makes sense, right? Sure. Well, then they started to see, well, these new YouTube channels, they don't really stand a chance. And I believe that YouTube wanted to change that. Why? Because YouTube wants new creators and not just relying on people that have been doing it for a while. They want to build their platform as well with more creators. And so how are they going to do this? Well, they're going to allow us who don't have a lot of subscribers the chance to be seen. So, like I said, it's changed a lot over the years. But the one really exciting thing is right now is when you post a new video, that video, yes, it is going to get sent to your subscribers. It will show up to some of them. If they didn't hit the bell, they might not see it. So it's really not that big of an audience, even if you have a big audience, okay? Yes, it will help a little bit as far as in the first few hours, but we've had videos that out of the gate did not that great. And then 2-3 days go by and boom, it gets picked up by the algorithm. Why would this be? Well, what YouTube is doing now is it's not just going after people that are searching for stuff. It's going after people that are showing interest in a certain niche or a certain topic. So if you've probably witnessed this, if you are looking up something about plumbing in your house, the next time that you open up that YouTube app, you're probably gonna see some plumbing content, right? We've all seen that. I have, okay? And sometimes I'm actually a little reluctant on clicking on a video because I don't want to start feeding my YouTube feed with all of that type of content. So sometimes I'll go in an incognito window and just do it that way, so I'm not like gonna start seeing all that stuff, because maybe I just wanted to see how to fix a faucet, and I don't want to have my feed start showing all of the plumbing stuff. But for the most part, if you are interested in something, right? If you're interested in a band, and you start looking up that band, you're gonna start getting more suggestions for that band, okay? That's really good news for us, because those people that are looking for that, you're gonna also see that YouTube's gonna start serving up content that's related to that, okay? People that like this band also like this band. Well, if you did a video on this band, you're probably going to show up, or you're gonna have a chance to. Now, YouTube has come out and said that they are showing YouTube creators channels that are smaller to give them a chance. And so if you want to even test this out for yourself, just go into your feed, okay? And then start scrolling through and watch for some of the channels that are smaller, okay? I've done this recently, and it's about every 4th or 5th video that comes up in the suggestion are going to be a smaller channel. You're gonna get the ones that have 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, whatever, subscribers. You're gonna get those people and those channels, but you're also gonna start seeing these smaller channels, okay? Which is really exciting. Now, little pro tip here, if you start looking at your competitors, and you're gonna start now seeing other people that are coming up that you might wanna pay attention to. Because here's one little trick that I always do, is I'll look at a video that's doing well, 50, 60,000, 100,000 or more, and I'll go, okay, how many subscribers does that channel have? Oh, they only have 2,000 subscribers? Oh, wow. that's a great video that I should probably create something around because YouTube's pushing that video even though they don't have a lot of subscribers. All right, so that's on the subscriber and getting more views. Do you want to have more subscribers? Yeah, you want to have the right subscribers. A lot of times they'll fall into the trap of like shorts, right? If you post shorts, you get a lot of views maybe, but your subscribers, they're not as quality for the content that you're creating. Now, I'm not saying that YouTube shorts aren't quality people. I'm not saying that. It's just not your people, okay? So the subscriber thing, I only look at it as far as can we get over the threshold for monetization? Because everyone wants that unlocked. I also feel like YouTube might give you a little more push if you're monetized, maybe, because it now shows a little bit more authority on the channel that you've crossed a couple of finish lines. So I think that they might push you. I can't say that for certain, but I'm guessing that. It makes sense. But here's the other thing, is you don't need a lot of subscribers in order to make a good amount of money, okay? And I'm proof of that, okay? I've been doing this now for over 15 years. My first channel, okay, which is a channel that's still out there. I don't post on it anymore. I haven't posted in years, and it's called New Portrait Biz. That had 16,000 subscribers on it when I kind of stopped posting on it because we moved on to another business. But that was a really small channel, and it did over 6 figures for 7+ years from just 16,000 subscribers, okay? The money was not earned on YouTube. The money was earned with either affiliate stuff, okay, affiliate product stuff that we referred, or well, most of it was done by courses that we had created for that audience or templates, downloads, things like that, okay? That's why I'm a big advocate for building your email list and all of that stuff. And I actually shot a video walking you through how I do that. I'll actually link that up in the description, all right? But it really does come down to getting the attention of the right audience and not so much worrying about the subscriber count. Now, do you want to have more views? Yes, because if you have a lot of views, the views can in turn build your email list. It can bring people over to affiliate products. It can also open you up for sponsorship potential. I'll give you an example of this. If someone was going to sponsor your videos and they saw that you only had 3,000 subscribers, but your videos are getting 30,000, 50,000, I can guarantee you that they're going to pay more than if you had 100,000 subscribers and you were only getting 1,000 views. They don't care about the subscribers. They care about how many viewers you're reaching, okay? So understand that there's just some channels, by the way, that their content doesn't lend itself to subscribers. If you're not teaching something, like something that someone's gonna wanna learn from you, it's gonna be harder to build subscribers that are gonna wanna come back. Okay, now I'm not saying that there's not like outliers there probably are, but in my case, if you're talking about getting subscribers that wanna subscribe, that wanna keep watching more, you're kind of bringing them through the journey with you and you're teaching along the way, all right? And that's what I've always done. So that's what I would recommend is, focus on that audience. And if you wanna hear the full story on how I was able to take a small channel, 1,000 YouTube subscribers at the time and turn that into, well, $12,500 in my first ever product release. So if you want to hear all the details on how I was able to do that, I'm going to put the video right here. Click on that video and I'll see you there.